guys, today we're in Kentucky Down Under in Horse Cave, Kentucky. And man, do they have a lot of animals here. We're on a road trip with our grandchildren and you're gonna see all kinds of animals with us.
Oh my God.
Hi.
He's so cute. Yeah.
In 1990, Kentucky Down Under was founded by a couple named Bill and Judy. Judy was from Australia and had kangaroos as pets, so it seemed like the perfect fit and a great place for families to visit. Our grandchildren enjoyed looking around the gift store as Keith signed up to get our golf cart and our tickets. We were given a map and off we went to our adventure. Kentucky Down Under in our golf cart, going up the hill. There's Pants.
Hi.
There's Addie and Kason in the back, riding.
Wait, what is this? What is this one? I think this is
There's actually a cave here as well, which we did not go through. There's also a large gift store, which we'll go through at the end of the video. But first, the kids wanted to see the wolves. The wolves look like a couple of big dogs. There was a light gray wolf, and they also had a dark gray wolf. Our little golf cart adventure through Kentucky Down Under. It's a great way to see everything without having to walk, being as it's so hot. They have a little cafe down there, a little petting zoo.
We could go with the bird thing.
Okay.
All right.
We'll head that way.
Of my cup.
They dig into your skin.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's kind of what their toenails are for.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I want this bird now.
Oh, somebody help me. Oh my gosh.
Buddy, you need to come.
Now you can go somewhere, please. Go.
Ah. That's my finger. That's my. Hey, he's biting the bottom. He's biting the bottom. Hey,
These birds were smart. They bit a hole in the bottom of the cup so they could get at the nectar. And it was all fun and games until our grandson got pooped on. Then we had to go clean him up. So beware of the birds. Then we made our way to the petting zoo.
I'll get Case in, or you go ahead and
Oh, stop it.
Yeah, they'll try to knock it out of your hand.
You look really, you both are hungry. Okay, I'm gonna. Addie! These ones are so hungry. I'm feeding the baby. No, I'm gonna take turns. Good boy.
You want some too, don't you? You want some.
The emu is gonna get it. Oh no! We call the emu the crazy bird because they're very aggressive with the feed. I don't know if he's very hungry.
Can't you pet them?
Yeah.
Yes, you just can't touch their ears.
Little baby right here.
On their backs, not their ears or their face. Aww.
Here, buddy. Here, right here. Oh, good boy. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Oh, Bubba.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Aww.
He's on my hand. Oh my god. He's so cute.
Isn't he sweet?
Yeah.
This was such an amazing experience. Where else can you be able to interact and feed kangaroos? We were told that the kangaroos, for the most part, are lazy. They like to lay in the shade and don't even get up to go to the bathroom at times, just lay there and go. So they love it, I'm sure, when people come and bring them food.
Probably everybody feeds the babies and don't feed you guys, do they?
They're probably too scared.
It was an experience that our grandchildren, as well as us, greatly enjoyed. Peacock! Peacock! You're so pretty! You're so pretty! Wow! You're beautiful! Look at that! Isn't it neat? Look at him. Look, that's how they show off to attract
females?
Female. Yeah, he's a male,
Yeah.
and he's doing his dance to show her. Look at me. Try something. I don't know. There must be a female around here somewhere.
Or catching the female's eyes.
Look at him, Kason.
I know, he's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, am I the female? Want this? That? I'm gonna cut him. Oh!
It's hard, isn't it?
Any of these guys, but you're gonna hear the word dog. It's a little bit deceptive. These guys are not related to dogs or canines, but they do act like dogs. Now these guys, whenever they kind of bark and chirp like a dog, they actually have their own little language. These guys are incredibly smart. Now these people, or these prairie dogs, are typically very, very underestimated because of how smart they can be. But their barks and chirps are their own language. So each bark and chirp does mean something different. They're actually able to formulate their own sentences all the way up to about specificity of height and color. So these guys, really, really smart. One of the main things you're going to see is these guys do have some really sharp claws. These guys do dig underground and make these really complex tunnels and homes in and out. It's really important that they go in and out because these guys are almost like sentries where they play guard every other hour or so, and they actually do kind of shift their guards. So this is really important. They are incredibly populous because they have a litter of up to 8. They are a large part of the food chain. Without them, the food chain will collapse because a lot of predators do depend on them. Say things like your owls, your snakes, your foxes, anything that really eats meat can't eat these guys, and because of how many there are, again, it will collapse without them. Now, this guy is also going to be a really good construction builder. So these guys are usually going to be building them homes for themselves, but they also do build homes for other animals over time.
How nice that looks.
Robbie here.
The skins. So cool.
Yeah, do you guys want to hold them or pet them? Necessarily bring them out at the same time, just because I can't really hold on to both of them.
They got me, Casey. How's it feel?
It feels very scary.
Yeah.
But also cool at the same time.
Just make sure he doesn't hit the table because he might get some splinters. Okay. Yeah.
Does it feel pretty neat? What's it feel like?
Slimy.
He's probably about 10 pounds. Now, I always like to overestimate, but he's probably more or less 7 or 8. And they love the little forearm area because that's where you're super, super warm. So you'll see these guys kind of like to burrow in there every once in a while.
Well, this might be.
He's just trying to figure out who
Say thank you.
Thank you, guys.
What's his name?
His name is Clyde.
Clyde. You got the whole Clyde.
Do you want to try?
There were animals inside that we got to see as well. It was neat to see animals that we wouldn't otherwise have gotten to see. And this guy did not like the camera whatsoever.
He is. You don't want your picture taken, do you?
Everybody's in and Kason is driving. Oh my gosh. Kason is driving the golf cart. Ooh, good job, buddy.
Well, you're doing good. Okay, you can stop now.
Wait till we get up here. Okay. Just let off and push on that. Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay, go back.
Okay, now it's Addie's turn.
That was so awesome!
You did a good job too, bub.
You don't crash.
Oh, you won't crash. Kason didn't
Already,
crash.
Yeah, I was doing so good.
Now it's Addie's turn to drive.
Ready?
Ready? Yep. Now Addie's driving.
I'm so scared. Guys, I'm gonna crash into a tree.
I want to do it again.
Okay, we will. We'll make a big turn again.
And then we'll do it again.
Yep.
Yay!
Good job, Addie.
Seen everything, so we might as well have fun. Oh.
Hand, slowly, slowly.
Okay, turn this way, go back down.
This way, me? Why am I doing this?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Gas on the,
Okay.
on the brake, slow, slow.
There we go. Good job.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Well, Kason, how's it feel to be driving?
Good.
Good.
And it feels fun.
This was an absolutely beautiful place.
Getting ready to go into the gift shop here at Kentucky Down Under Adventure Zoo.
This gift shop was huge, and our grandchildren loved looking around and exploring every part of it. Back in this room is where you wait for your cave tours. There's also restrooms back there. They had everything you could think of, and this was on sale from $6,000 to $2,700. Wow, they had some really pricey things that we did not get those souvenirs. This was such a great interactive hands-on experience with all types of animals. We highly recommend Kentucky Down Under. And of course, we had to get some fudge to take home. If you'd like to see more of our retirement adventures, click the video that just popped up on your screen.